of me doing this video is to show you all how I was able to double my capital in just 2 months. Hi, I am Vinayak from NiftyNayak.com. Do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. The links are given in the description below. So as you all know, I have been doing intraday futures trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty with the capital of 50,000. I have been sharing these trades in my Telegram channel as well. You can also check these trades in my website. So let me show you these trades. So first we go to my website, which is NiftyNayak.com. So here you can click on this intraday and positional trading. So here you see the Excel sheet and with all my trade details. So I started doing these kind of trades from 8th May. So this Excel is nothing but the sheet which I have embedded here. So you can check that there as well. So I started this trading from 8th May and as of 24th June, that is yesterday, I was able to make a profit of 51,000. So in 2 months, my 50,000 has become 1 lakh. Now let me tell you what the catch is. If doubling the money in such a small span of time was so easy, then I would have been the richest man on this planet. These are high risk trades and you cannot deploy huge money in this. That's why I dedicated only 50,000 for these kind of trade. And I was ready to lose the entire capital. I was lucky and with my knowledge, experience and discipline, I was able to double the money in less than 2 months. These trades, as I told, is not scalable and you cannot deploy 20-30 lakh for these trades. Forget 20-30 lakh. Deploying even 5 lakh is difficult here. You can check the sheet in my website. There were some days where I have made 8,000, 9,000 profit. And equally there were days where I have lost 8,000, 9,000, which is very risky with huge capital. So what next? Now that as I am in profit, I will continue to do these kind of trades with 50,000 only. Let me see how much it will grow. I will be executing option trades with the other 50,000, which can be intraday or positional. I am planning to do that in weekly options. I will definitely be sharing these trades in my Telegram channel to you guys. Now, we all know that we are in bad phase now. The corona has disrupted all industries and there were many demat accounts that were opened in the last few months. People are now working from home. Some have lost their jobs. Some have lost their salaries. So now people want to venture into stock market as they are looking here for another source of income. Trust me, there were at least 10 people who have called me as they wanted to get into trading. I have a serious word of caution here. This is not the right time for you to enter stock market. Markets are very, very volatile. Nifty has shot 1,000 points in less than a week. Yesterday, that is 24th June, Nifty gapped up with the 50 points and at closing it was 160 points lower. You would have made wonderful profit in last 2-3 months by investing in stocks. But don't think that stock markets are always like this. You might have your beginner's luck and maybe you are in profit. It will pain really bad when reality bites you. I am not discouraging you. Neither am I telling you to close your account and go home. All I am telling you is that you should be aware of the risks in this business. Learn completely before you enter the market. I hope you will follow this. Thank you.